Thanks for checking out my hair bleaching course online. This is a very unique course and offered to hairstylists only. Already signed up lots of hairstylists from all over the world. This is a great technology and tested by hundreds of hairstylists from all over the world. The hair stays healthy, moist, and hair never gets damaged. You will love creating your own raw blondes, which further can be toned and colored into any shades. The hair bleaching course is pretty easy to learn. All chemicals, steel container and other stuff are available in every country. The course fee is 5 francs nowadays. However, it used to be 9. And thank you so much. Sign up for the hair bleaching course today.